Hello everyone, it's Greenson back here for another gaming video. Today we're playing Mr. Dobbs' funny mathematic game. Some of you may know Dave's algebra class. This is basically a pejorative. This is basically like a funny version of Dave. You know, from the Dave and Bambi FNF mod. Alright, let's just get the first math subject. 10 minus 6. 5. Wow, you're a freak. I do not know how to do his voice. I just sounded like a girl. Okay, I gotta stop doing that voice. It's so cringe. Well, it's not actually cringe. Oops! I accidentally got one question wrong. Noob. No, you're a noob. Now he's coming after me on his wheelchair. Oh, that's him. Where's he going? Wait. Ah! He's coming! He's coming!
You naughty people around it.
No!
18 hours, you're getting action. You're gonna stay here for a while.
It's only 18 seconds. It's not actually hours. If I had to wait 18 hours, it would be literally like a game end. Now, imagine if I waited there for 18 straight hours. Oh no, messed it up there. No! Hurry up! Hurry up! Oh, that was close. That was close. Oh my god, I nearly died. He nearly ran me over. Oh, I accidentally got a question wrong. Well, it's okay. He's first prize. First prize doesn't get angrier for every problem I get wrong. I'm gonna wait until he's gone. Getting quieter. Oh, it's quiet. Oh, shit. Oh, God. Oh. Hi there, Diamond Guy. Actually, no, that's Emerald Guy. Where is he? Oh, no. I gotta get out of here. The next math subject thing. 7 minus 2. You really suck at math. No, I don't. You're the math teacher. You suck at math. You do not know how to do real math. I bet if I was the substitute teacher, I would teach people good stuff and not chase them with rulers. You know, it would be funny if I had like an actual mod. If I have an actual Baldi Spaces mod where I don't actually get angrier for every problem, but at the last notebook, I get mad. I'll be like, Art, you know what? You've been getting problems wrong for too long. I'm coming for you. Or something like that. Well, I mean, I used that, I drew a family sprites of Green's Basics and Runaway and Fun. Imagine that actually happened. But I don't think it might happen. I don't have an itchy eye. 14. Oops, I got the problems wrong. Noob. I'm not a noob. Alright. Okay. I got this use such notice play comes around. Sweeper! Bruh. You gotta be kidding me, bro. Not funny. my brain is big. First for the golden corn, I might spend it on like some like jalapeno ranch chips of like the Ruffles. I haven't noob. I'm not a noob. Why you bully me? Hold it. Where'd he go? Oh, he's right there. I'm not gonna run. I'm not gonna run. Okay, let's get this next go, bud. Alright. Let me put this in my mind. 12. Noob. I'm not a noob. You're a noob. Wait. Hold on. I think I lost him. Here's this next one here. You sucking them? Oh, that was a regular one. I made a huge oopsie. You really suck at math. No, I don't. Uh-oh. Okay. I think I may have pissed off that robot. You really suck at math. I do not. How many times do I have to say it? It's not my fault you have no brain, no job, no friends. Huh. Alright. Let me just get some orange juice. Alright. Alright, just gotta walk down the halls like a good citizen. I'm being a good student. The white failure thing. Alright, let's get this next one. Alright. That's 10. That's 5. You really suck at math. I do not. I do not suck at math. You suck at math, idiot. Alright, let's get this candy. I kinda wanna eat it in real life. But sadly, it's not right now. And if this was in real life, I would have a hard time escaping Mr. Dive. Alright. Now get out of my face, please. Wait, corn thief warning. Find him plus green guard season reward. Oh, that's a lot of dollars. I gotta find them. Noob. I am not a noob. You're a noob. Alright. Now I gotta figure out where are those last two notebooks. Alright. I know what the next one is. Alright. Now I gotta figure out where the last two notebooks are. Oh, I know what they are. It's the hallway that with the school with the yellow door lock. It's the school. It's nearby the school faculty room with the yellow door lock. I know exactly where it is. Alright.
This schoolhouse must shine.
Alright.
Washing.
grab this.
Washing.
I hear him. Wait, why do I hear him? Why do I hear him? Where is he? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Where are you, Mr. Toad? Alright, might be totally from an animated Sandy. Ah, it's Bambi.
Give me your iTunes adventure for now.
No, get out of here. Green Garden Guy, where are you? No, screw it. Oh shoot, I got caught by Archie Crackers. Oh, come on, no, I head back. Head back. I have to go back now. And I was gonna use Arts and Crackers as my getaway plan. Dang it, I was gonna use Arts and Crackers as my getaway plan from Mr. Dove. Oh no, Principal is coming. Oh, good. Got a fake wall poster and 2 orange juices. We are bound to win this. 0, 2, noob. I am not a noob. How many times do I have to say it? It's not my fault your walls look like gumballs. Alright. The last one. Ah, come on! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Get out of here! Stupid robot. More annoying than first prize. Alright. Let's get the last one. 0, 9, noob. Now let's get out of here before Mr. Dive gets us. What's he gonna say?
Congratulations, you failed at all of the 10 maths. Now your last thing to do is get these out to my schoolhouse.
Okay. Alright, the red room's here. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Alright, let's go. Where's Mr. Dove? Where is he? We have to get out of here now before he finds me. Alright.
This schoolhouse must shut.
Alright, next exit. It's gonna get loud now. Whoa, why am I going so fast? Wait, why is it not getting loud? Huh, okay, no loud music then. Wait, is it playing music? Alright, we gotta get out of here. Let's get moving. Gotta get moving. Alright, got this fake wall in case Mr. Dove comes. Okay, now it's extended. Okay, I like this music. Go. Alright, let's get out of here. Let's do it. Wait. Before I go, do that. There we go. Now let's have wait. There we go. Let's have a little V soda party. Let's have a little orange juice party. And we are out of here!
Wow, congratulations. You beat the game. Now, can you please try your words next time?
Okay, they put me in the secret ending. Let's go to Mr. Dove's office and see who am I gonna meet. Wait, extended hallway? Don't enter. Oh wait, I think it's telling me to go this way. Just gonna cruise around. Alright. Mr. Dive's cool musical band. Ooh, I gotta see this.
Wowzers! You made it through each year. I am so glad about you. Yes, that means you ever reached this point. Now, we're congratulating you. We are gonna send you a song and protest so I will make it. And I really hope you are gonna like it.
Here we go. That was it?
Okay, that was the song. Did you like it? I really hope yes. And, unfortunately it's time to say goodbye. But thank you for playing my mod. It was a pleasure to see you. You can come back playing whenever you want next time. Bye.
Bye. Alright, let's get the secret ending now. Alright guys, the last one is, I know where it is. It's the room nearby the start. Alright. I hear him. Oh, I saw him. You bet your bottom dollars I saw him. Where is he? There he is! Son of a nun! You're an annoying son of a boomer! One second. Alright. Alright. The last one. Alright. You suck. No one case play. Stop. Now let's get out of here before Mr. Dov gets us again. Let's go.
Congratulations, you failed at all of the tests.
Thank you.
Now your last thing to do is get these out of my schoolhouse.
Okay, I'm gonna get out. Alright. Get this exit right here. Oh wait, it's so already at the start. No! Get out of my face, ugly robot. Looking like first price if he had a son. Alright. Hello, green guard guy. I am not running or not breaking any rules. Are they stuck together? Are they dancing? What are y'all doing? Y'all dancing? Yo! No, I'm not looking at that. I'm not looking at that. No.
Give me her
Get out of here, Bammy. Alright. Let's get the candy and the orange juice and get out of here. Candy. Orange juice. Let's get out of here.
Washing, washing, washing. Washing, washing, washing.
Okay. Oh, I hear him. I hear him. I gotta hear the other one. Where is he? I have a feeling if I go out there, he's gonna be right outside. Uh-oh. Take this! Alright. Let's do this to get out of here. Alright. Alright. Fake wall. Fake wall. There we go. Now let's get out of here. Alright. Run for it, Brandon! There it is! No! Put the bubble! No! Alright, guys. The reason why I'm here because I got caught by David. Mr. Dav. Alright, the last exit right here. Now let's see the secret ending. You did awfully terrible. Go to the room behind you because there's a guy that needs to tell you something. Okay. Let's head to the room. Mr. Dav's office. Alright. What's in here? Who is that?
I can't tell you. Why? I just wanted to keep my identity a secret. And I also wanted to ask, why am I here? I know Potato this game called Mr. Gas Fun Mathematics game has the potential to ruin your future. Not only to you, but also to the entire world. But if you want to like this. First, make sure to quit the game. Second, delete the game folder forever. Then folder with the ex file. Third, delete the zip file we downloaded. Fourth, when you're done. Okay, just do it now.
Oh, that's it? Okay. Anyways, guys, that was Mr. Dave's funny mathematic game. That was so fun. And the part where they all played a song, I was like, what? That's not even a song. They weren't even singing. And my favorite parts about this game was where he was first prize riding on a wheelchair, and he catches me. But I know how to get away from first prize easily. Well, sometimes. Well, you know what? Anyways, I think I'll just end the video and we can call this a day. As always, I just want to say thank you all for watching, and make sure you hit the like button and subscribe, and make sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Goodbye, everyone. I'll see you all tomorrow.